I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off TikTok location services on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Apps in this menu and then tap See All Apps. A list of all of the apps installed on your Android device is displayed. Step 3. Tap TikTok in this list. The app information screen for TikTok is displayed. Step 4. Tap Permissions on the TikTok app info screen. Step 5. Look for location in the list. If it is under the Allowed section, tap on it. Step 6. Select Don't Allow to completely disable TikTok's access to your location. If you want to leave TikTok's location access on, but just restrict it, you can tap to toggle off Use Precise Location if you want to keep the permission on, but only give the app your approximate location. If you want to clean things up even further, you can also delete your past location history directly inside the TikTok app. To do this, open TikTok, tap Profile, tap the 3 lines icon to open a menu, and then tap Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to the Account section and then tap Privacy. Find the Discoverability section and then choose Location Services in this section. Tap Delete Certain Location Data. A window pops up letting you know that moving forward will automatically delete data it received directly from your location services if it is older than 30 days. Tap Delete. This wipes out any older location data TikTok has already stored from your device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.